Now I will explain about the problem statement. Campus transportation plays an important role in student daily life in UiTM, as many students depend on the campus buses to travel to classes and facilities. However, the current bus system still has several weaknesses that affect the service quality and convenience. One major issue is that bus arrival times are hard to predict. Most of the time, students do not know when the bus will arrive, which causes a long waiting time at the bus stop without any clear information. Another problem occurs during busy hour, especially in morning or before class begin. During this time, buses are often overcrowded and some students are unable to board and must wait for the next bus. Long waiting time also lead to delays. Students may arrive late to class or miss important activities which affect their daily schedules and productivity. In addition, the current system is not efficient because it relies only on fixed schedules. Without any tracking system, this makes it difficult to manage bus operation or improve the service. As a result, students experience discomfort, especially when waiting under hot weather or during rain, which causes stress and dissatisfaction. Therefore, this issue clearly shows that need for an improved and more efficient campus transportation solution.
Hi everyone, my name is Siti Aisha. After listening to the common problems faced by students, especially related to tracking bus arrival times, my group came up with an innovation idea called UITM Transit Link. So, what is UITM Transit Link? UITM Transit Link is a mobile application similar to MyRapid or Move It that provides real-time ETA. Its main goal is to reduce waiting time and help students plan their journey better. But why did we create this idea? First, because we are students ourselves. We understand how tiring it is to wait for the bus under the hot campus weather, especially with tight class schedules. Second, we want to reduce wasted time and uncertainty when using campus transportation. So, to solve this problem, UITM Transit Link was created as a simple, practical, and student-friendly solution. Next, let's discover the four main features of the UITM Transit Link mobile application. The first feature is real-time tracking. GPS will be installed in every bus, allowing students to see the live location of each bus. With this feature, students can estimate their waiting time and avoid unnecessary waiting at the bus stop. The second feature is academic schedule integration, and this is what makes UITM Transit Link different from other apps. Students can input their class schedule and the app will suggest the best bus to take to avoid being late. Students will also receive alerts if the bus is delayed. The third feature is the gamified feedback loop. Feedback is important for continuous improvement, so we provide a 1 to 5 star rating system. Students can give feedback on bus cleanliness, comfort, and driver behavior. And finally, the fourth feature is congestion and pedestrian alerts. The app will notify students during peak hours, so they can consider traveling during non-peak times when possible. These are the four key features that make UITM Transit Link a smart, student-friendly transportation solution.
This slide explains how UITM Transit Links operate step by step. In step 1, user access the system by logging in using their UITM student ID through the Transit Link mobile application. This ensures secure access and personalized features. In step 2, students integrate their academic schedule into the system. The application links lecture times with available campus bus route automatically. Next, in step 3, the system provides smart route recommendations. These recommendations are generated based on class start time, bus availability, and current traffic conditions. In step 4, real-time AVL or automatic vehicle location tracking is activated. Each bus is equipped with GPS sensors, allowing the system to show live bus location, provide accurate estimated arrival times, and reduce uncertainty. In step 5, students receive alert and safety notification, including bus delays, peak hour congestion, and high pedestrian zone warning, which contribute to safer campus movement. Finally, in step 6, a gamified feedback loop is implemented. After each trip, Students can rate aspects such as cleanliness, comfort, and driver behavior. This feedback is used for continuous service improvement and quality monitoring. This slide shows how UiTM Transit Link will look on the mobile phones. Students can easily view the bus location, estimated arrival time, and suggested bus directly from the app. The interface is designed to be simple and user-friendly, so students can quickly check bus information before going to class. Overall, this slide demonstrates the mobile app layout and how students will interact with UiTM Transit Link on their phones.
My name is Nasri Mawada binti Paruraji, and next I will be talking about the benefits of the new innovation that we made. First is improved operational efficiency. Real-time GPS tracking and smart schedule integration reduce uncertainty in bus operations, and it also enhances coordination between bus supply and student demand, supporting process efficiency and service flow management in operations management. Number 2 is time and cost savings. Accurate ETA information reduces waiting time and unnecessary delays, especially during peak hours. Optimize routes and better utilization of existing buses minimize fuel wastage and avoid additional operational costs, aligning with lean operations. The third benefit is enhanced user convenience and service quality. Centralized platform combines tracking, alerts, feedback in one system. Gamified feedback loop improves service and quality through continuous monitoring and continuous improvement practices. The fourth benefit is improved safety and reliability. Congestion and pedestrian alerts help students avoid overcrowded areas and unsafe waiting conditions. Supports risk management and reliability in service operations by reducing unexpected disruptions and safety concerns. Next are the impacts of UiTM Transit Link. Number 1 is higher student satisfaction and reduced stress. Predictable travel times reduce anxiety, lateness, and negative emotional experiences. It also builds trust in campus transport services through transparency and reliability. The second impact is better decision-making for campus management. Usage data and feedback provide valuable insights for improving schedule and route planning. Supports data-driven decision-making in service operations. The third impact is sustainable and scalable campus mobility system. Gradual implementation prevents system overload and allows users to adapt easily, creates a foundation for future enhancements such as crowd monitoring and analytics. The fourth one is stronger feedback-driven system culture. Regular student feedback encourages accountability among drivers and service providers. Fosters a culture of continuous service improvement and responsiveness within campus transport operations. Next, who are our target users? Our primary users are obviously UiTM students. Students who depend on campus buses for daily movement between hostels, lecture halls, and facilities. They need reliable and timely transport to attend classes punctually. Pain point that Transit Link solve is unpredictable bus arrival times, long waiting periods during peak hours, overcrowded buses, and lack of real-time updates. Our secondary users is UiTM Transport and Campus Operations team, which are the staff who are responsible for managing campus transportation services, because they need better visibility and control over bus operations. The pain points that we have solved is limited operational data, difficulty monitoring service quality, and inefficient scheduling and route optimization.
Next, I will talk about the feasibility of UiTM Transit Link system. This system is very practical and easy to implement because it uses GPS trackers. They are small, affordable, and can be installed on existing UiTM buses. So, UiTM does not need to buy new buses. The system only needs a server to process information like bus location, speed, and estimated arrival time. Since UiTM already has its own IT team, there is no need to create a new department to manage the system. From an operational point of view, the mobile app can be developed using common frameworks that are already used in popular apps like Grab and Move It. This makes the system reliable and easy to maintain. For bus drivers, only minimal training is required as they just need to make sure the GPS device is turned on. In terms of student adoption, this app directly solves a common problem faced by students, which is waiting for buses without knowing when they will arrive. Because the interface is similar to apps like Mobile and MyRapid, students can easily understand and use it. Overall, UiTM Transit Link is not only feasible but also has strong potential to improve campus transportation in the future. Now moving on to the future plans, there are several improvements that can be added. Smart crowd level monitoring can help students see how full a bus is and avoid overcrowding. Data analytics can be used to improve bus schedules and routes based on actual driver data. The app can also be integrated with your ATM system so students can access it more easily. Lastly, emergency and safety features can be added to inform students about delays or breakdowns, which allow them to stay safe and well informed.